Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So product ads are all about showing value, fast, clean visuals, strong lighting, and clear messaging. With openart, you can create high-end product visuals and turn them into converting ads. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to create product ads using openart in 2026. Okay, so first thing first, define your product and audience. Okay, so start with clarity, like identify product, target audience, problem it solves. For example, fitness app for beginners who lack time. So I will just show you an example. Okay, so like this. Okay, as you can see. So then write a simple ad script like structure, like hook, problem, solution, CTA. For example, still, like, so this is the script. Still wasting time on workouts. This app gives results in just 10 minutes a day. Okay, so keep it short. Plan visual scenes like break into clips, hook scene, problem scene, product scene, result scene. Each one should be from 2 to 4 seconds. Okay. Generate product visuals in openart. So open openart, create product shorts, like for example like this. Okay, so premium product photography, clean background, studio lighting, high detail, mix products plus lifestyle, and create video clips, like use video generator like the prompts like this, or cinematic product showcase, smooth motion, close-up shots. So keep clips short, focus on key moments. Okay, and then add voiceover, like use 11 laps or play HT, like generate natural voice, match tone with product, and add music, choose like upbeat or calm, because music drives emotions. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.